Cooking on a mass scale requires no small amount of precise engineering. Finding ways to simplify the process of controlling steam temperature is high on food manufacturers' lists. Many processes employ a complicated steam control valve setup with an I to P, RTD, and PID loop. Steam temperature control does not have to be this complicated. The temperature of saturated steam is directly related to its pressure. Using a steam pressure regulator assembly offers tighter control of temperature, elimination of the PID requirement, and less temperature drift. In this application, a QB1X electro-pneumatic regulator pilots a Burling valve BD4 pressure-reducing steam regulator to control the temperature of saturated steam to a cooking vessel. This assembly accurately maintains the temperature within the required range, ensuring consistent product quality.